everyone, welcome to technologyglance. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to block someone on hi5. So let's get started. Begin by launching your hi5 application. Now tap on the hamburger menu at the top left corner of your screen. Then scroll down until you find Friends option. Tap on it. Now tap on the All option. Then select the friend that you would like to block. Tap on the three vertical dots at the top right corner of your screen. Then select Block option. If you are sure, tap on the block once again. And this is how you can block someone on hi5. Thanks for watching technologyglance. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.